Last time we talked about skin conditioning for Superman, and today we're going to actually get into the Superman. Okay, we're talking about Superman today, how to get in and out of it. Before you start, you should definitely be warmed up. And one thing to think about warming up is your shoulders. You can do some stretches where you just kind of get your shoulder a little bit loose here. Also, a lot of movement can help loosen up your shoulders. Things where you're getting your back and shoulders just moving and flowing. All those kinds of movements will help your shoulders to get loose and ready because we're going to be reaching behind us to grab the pole in this move. And if you want more tips on how to warm up your shoulders, we have a whole video just on warming up your shoulders, so check that out. Before you do Superman, the hero is a move that you should be able to do because we'll be transitioning from the hero into the Superman. You can start on the ground or you can give it a climb. And here I am in the hero. I have a good hook with my knee on the top. I can always straighten and bend it again to get a really nice, good, solid hook. I'm also pulling this knee in towards my shoulder so that I have a good, solid hold there. I'm gonna grab the pole, not too high, but above that leg. And I'm gonna actually pull my top knee toward me to start with. I'm gonna bring it off the pole, so I'm not even touching the pole. I'm gonna turn and put it next to the other leg and then push into the pole and just let my hips fall until they lock in to that position. So you can see I'm holding the pole up and behind me. And if this feels like a big stretch for your shoulder, you'll need a little more warm up in that shoulder, but also I can turn my body so that it's not all my shoulder. It can be a twist starting at my hips and moving up. When you're ready to come out of it, you can just go back to the hero. Just reach down and grab, bring that bottom knee toward you, and bring the top leg off the pole. Bring it back to that nice, good hook up there at the top. And then you can go to your next move from hero. Thanks for joining us for Just the Tips. I'm Natalie. We did the Superman today, and I hope you have fun with the Superman in your routines.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.